Hey guys, my name's Connor. I'm a software engineer with over several years of experience, and I created this series, the JavaScript Mastery Series, to create a step-by-step guide on how to master JavaScript. Now, the idea is to use a belt ranking system like the one we see in martial arts to give us, say, key milestones to follow and some kind of structure and program so we understand not just what to learn and how to learn, but when to learn it and in which order. So in this series, we are going to be starting off with a one-off video on the white belt series, just a little introductory to JavaScript, what it is and how it got to where it is today. And then following up from that, we are going to jump into the blue belt series. That's going to cover all the basics and fundamentals that you need to, the bare minimum you need to know as a software engineer to secure your role as a graduate or junior developer. Then we'll progress through onto the purple belt and brown belt, where we go beyond the basics and fundamentals and learn how to make the most out of the language to solve problems and build features more effectively with the full suite of tools that are available to us in JavaScript. And then finally, the series will progress onto the black belt, where we are going to learn the absolute hardest and trickiest parts of JavaScript that are gonna make us senior level engineers and make us just true masters of JavaScript. So just to be clear, the idea behind this series isn't necessarily to teach you how to code, how to solve problems, and how to actually build things. You know, we're not going to be building Flappy Birds, printing hello world, or looping through an array. Instead, what we're going to be focused on is theory and concepts, and just generally diving into JavaScript and making sure we understand the language in itself. And when I say we're going to dive into JavaScript, I mean we're going to cover the entire language. You know, we're going to cover every concept, every corner, every subtle detail of the language. We are going to leave no stone unturned. And the idea is, by the end of this series, you will know everything that you absolutely need to know about JavaScript. So a lot of research has gone into these videos and a lot of books have been read. So we've got the JavaScript Definitive Guide, we've got the You Don't Know JavaScript, and the idea is we're going to be taking all of this knowledge and breaking it down into small digestible videos, which is a lot more fun than reading all these books, and at the same time having all this information broken down into an easy to follow path using that belt ranking system. So if that sounds like fun and you're serious about mastering JavaScript, then make sure you're subscribed. I'm going to be dropping 2 videos a week, and like I said, by the end of this series you're going to know everything you need to know to master JavaScript. See you guys in the next one.